Hey folks, Tom here. I am excited to show you how to connect your Claude to Google Tag Manager so that you do not need to log into Google Tag Manager again. This MCP server was originally created by the folks at Stape.ai, which is an analytics company. They have let it go offline. So I have resurrected it so that you can continue to use the Google Tag Manager MCP through Claude Desktop. If you haven't installed an MCP server before, these things are pretty fiddly. So bear with me for the setup. It's a pretty good skill to have though, because once you've done it once, there are loads of MCP servers and you can just start to automate everything through Claude. To get started, you need a few things. You need Node. If you don't have Node already, if you don't think you've got Node, you probably don't have Node. You just need to head to nodejs.org and install it. If you're familiar with the command line, then there are some tools on the Node website to install it. If not, there is a package that you can download that means you're ready to go. There we go. So you can use that, or you can download the package there. All right. You also need Claude Desktop. So if you don't have Claude Desktop, you need to download the Claude Desktop app, and then you're good to go. So you've got Node, you've got Claude Desktop. What we're going to do is we're going to open up Claude Desktop. We're going to go to the Claude settings, and we want to go to the Developers tab. You can see my local MCP service. I've just got Playwright at the moment for this demo. We're going to click this Edit Config button. It's going to select a file in Finder. We right-click it, open with Text Edit. And I'm going to copy what's in here. If you don't have anything in here, that's okay. Just leave it as is. I'm going to copy that. Whoops, I shouldn't have closed it. Yep, copy that. And go back to our website here. Paste it in. This gives me updated config, which includes the Google Tag Manager MCP server. I'm going to go back to Text Edit, paste over the top, hit save, and close that. Now, for these changes to make effect, I need to close Claude Desktop and I actually need to quit it. So we're going to click up there, we're going to go quit, or do Command Q, and then we're going to open it up again. What this is going to do is going to trigger an OAuth verification flow so that we can access your Google Tag Manager account. This is just giving you access via Claude. It's not giving me access or anything like that. So you can go approve. And then we choose our account. We'll click continue. You might see a verification screen here because this Google Analytics OAuth app is still pending verification. If you do, you just need to click continue through that. It's asking me for permission to do things. Go allow. And it's done. Okay. So now we go back to Claude. We're going to check here. You can see we've got Google Tag Manager MCP under our little tools section here. And so what I can do is I can just give it instructions. So we can try something here. We're going to speed run it, speed it up. Let's start with a prompt that we're going to add a click event to the demo button on my website. All right, and here we go. So Claude is going to go away and understand my Google Tag Manager setup. It's going to create a trigger. It's going to create a tag. And then all I have to do is go and publish it. We're going to speed run this and let it go and do its thing. And we're done. So it has created a click trigger. It's created an event tag using the generate lead event. I could give it a custom event perhaps if I want to. And it's done. So we're going to switch over to Google Tag Manager to check out its work. All right, so I'm here in my Tag Manager account. We can see we've got two workspace changes. We've got the click, which is the trigger. And so it's created this trigger all by itself. Click text contains book a demo, which is perfect. And then we have the event, which is the tag. And it's generating a lead off the back of that. So it's probably a bit of an odd way to do it, but it would work. It would totally work. I'd probably choose the Google Analytics tag and add the event that way, but this would work too. That's it. The only other tip I've got is that these conversations run out of space pretty quick. So like try to break things up into separate tasks in separate conversations in Claude. Otherwise it really slows down or it hits its max limit and it has to stop. Let me know if you get stuck.